Russia sold Alaska for only 2 cents an acre. It must be Russia's biggest regret. Bridge for squirrels? Yes, this Nutty Narrow Bridge in Washington is just for squirrel to cross the street. You want to go unicorn hunting? Okay, don't forget to get the license from Michigan's Lake Superior State University. Hello, welcome to our channel, Geography Nuts. Today we are going to look at some quirky, interesting, weird and wonderful fact about each and every state in the United States of America. Before we go, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. YouTube keeps sending me notifications saying that many of you are not subscribed. I can't do anything about it, but you have the power to stop that notification. Would you please? Let's jump in and start in the alphabetical order. Alabama. You don't normally see a statue for pesky little bugs, do you? But there is a 50-pound one in Enterprise, Alabama. Alaska. Peonies are a blooming business in Alaska. They sell over 1.5 million stems each year. Because they have longer summer days, the colors are more vibrant and the flowers are much bigger than other places. Arizona, home of the Grand Canyon. Arizona helped revolutionize the fast food industry in 1975. They opened the first ever McDonald's drive-thru window in Sierra Vista. Can you imagine fast food restaurant without a drive-thru? Arkansas, home of the America's only diamond mine. They let us regular folk to hunt the diamond and keep our findings. So, if you are planning to propose, you know where to go. California, state with the highest and lowest point in the continuous state of America. Mount Whitney is the highest point, and about 76 miles from there, Death Valley is the lowest point in America. Colorado. Do you want to be in 4 different states all at once? It is only possible in Corner Monument, where Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona and Utah meet. It is the only place in whole of America where you can step in 4 different states all at once. Connecticut. Are you old enough to know what phone book is? If not, look it up. The first one was published in New Haven in 1878. It had only 50 names. Delaware. Apparently, chicken outnumbers people 200 to 1. They have almost 200 million chickens at any given time. That's a lot of chickens. Florida, known for NASA and Disney World. But did you know they found a human remains almost 8,000 years old, and they were buried in a peat bog, and the bodies were well preserved. The brain tissue was still intact with the DNA in woman's skull. Georgia. Gainesville, Georgia is a poultry capital of the world. But did you know it's illegal to eat fried chicken with fork? Yes, really, they still have that law in the books. Idaho. Potato country. Boise celebrates the New Year's by dropping 16 feet tall potato made by steel and foam. That's a huge potato. Illinois. The state is known for many things, but did you know it is the pumpkin capital of the world? More than 82% of canned pumpkins are canned in Morton. Indiana. Do you like popcorn? Particularly Orville Redenbacher. All of the popcorn comes from Indiana. Iowa. Iowa grows more corn than Indiana. It is actually the largest corn producing state in the country. Iowa produces about 2.5 million bushels a year, but you can eat them. Most of them are used for animal feed or ethanol production. Kansas. Smith County, Kansas is the geographical center of the 48 continuous states. At one point, it was against the law to top a slice of cherry pie with a scoop of ice cream in Kansas. I am glad they changed the law. Kentucky. Fort Knox has been synonymous with safe place. Underground vault at Fort Knox hold 147.3 million ounces of gold. About half of the treasure is stored gold. Louisiana. It is the only state in the country adhered to the civil law system as opposed to the common law system used by every other state, thanks to their French heritage. Maine. The lobster capital produces over 40 million pounds, nearly 90% of America's lobster. But it was once a toothpick capital. At the height of their fame, they produced about 20 million toothpick a day. That's a lot of toothpick. Maryland. Would you like to talk to a ghost? You need a Ouija board. It was invented in Baltimore by Elijah Board. Apparently, when he asked the board for its name, it spelled it Ouija. Massachusetts. 16 of the top 20 windy cities are in this state. Did you know they went to court to determine if burrito is a sandwich or not in 2006? And the ruling is burrito is not a sandwich. The only food made with 2 pieces of bread with filling can be sandwich. Michigan, the Great Lakes state. They take recycle very seriously and offer higher refund for bottle deposit than any other states, 10 cents per bottle or can. Seinfeld episode outed this fact, where Newman and Kramer trying to ship recycle via postal service. So funny, just Google it. Minnesota, the land of the 10,000 lake, technically has more than about 11,000 lakes. If you thought Minnesota has the most lake, you'd be wrong. Its neighbor Wisconsin has over 15,000 lakes. But it's nothing compared to Alaska, where 3 million lakes are found. Don't let the truth get in the way of good advertising, right? Mississippi. Can you imagine buying just one shoes? Just not pair, just one? It sounds ridiculous, right? But selling shoes in pair apparently began in 1884 at Phil Gilbert's shoe parlor in Vicksburg. It was a genius move. He doubled the sales. Missouri. Would you like a cone? Ice cream cone was first introduced during the 1904 World Fair in St. Louis. It finally became a state dessert in 2008. Montana. The temperature in Loma once climbed from minus 54 degrees Fahrenheit to 49 degrees within the 24-hour period, the largest one-day hike ever recorded. That's a 103-degree difference. Wow. Nebraska. Are you a fan of Kool-Aid? It was invented in Hastings in 1927. It goes great with football, isn't it? Nevada. You all know about the casinos and Hoover Dam, right? But did you know kangaroo rats that live in Nevada desert can live their entire life without drinking a drop of liquid? New Hampshire. The state motto is live free or die. Should I say more? New Jersey, home of the world's largest spoon collection. A spoon museum features over 5,400 spoons from every state and almost every country. Some of them are really work of art. New Mexico. According to their state law, idiots are not allowed to vote. But it doesn't say who are the idiot. There is no description of the idiot. So everybody can vote. New York. Twice a year, sunset perfectly aligns with the Manhattan street grid, illuminating the east to west streets with an orange glow. North Carolina. Baltimore Estate is the largest privately owned home in the country, with more than 4 acres of floor space and over 250 rooms. North Dakota. In 2007, North Dakota made a Guinness World Record for most people making snow angels simultaneously. About 8,962 people made the snow angel. Ohio didn't officially become a state until 1953. It was declared a state back in 1803, but didn't get the presidential stamp of approval until President Dwight Eisenhower signed it off. He backdated the declaration to the original date. The lesson? Always remember to keep your paperwork up to date. Oklahoma. Next time when you use the shopping cart at the grocery store, thank Oklahoma. It was invented in 1937 by the Piggly Wiggly supermarket owner. Oregon. Portland has more strip clubs per capita than any other state in the United States, including Vegas. That says a lot. With one strip club per every 11,000 residents. Pennsylvania is spelled Pennsylvania with one N in the Liberty Bell. The Constitution sometimes uses one N and sometimes uses two N's. Rhode Island. The White Horse Tavern in Newport has been a popular spot to grab an ale since 1673. It is the oldest pub in America and it has been in business for almost 350 years. South Carolina. The Angel Oak Tree near Charleston is believed to be the oldest living thing in the country. It is about 1,500 years old and stands about 65 feet tall and produces about 1,700 square feet of shade. And some of the branches are so heavy they rest on the ground. South Dakota. Mount Rushmore. Faces of former presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln chiseled into this mountain and is believed to be the world's greatest mountain carving. Tennessee. Have you ever had Mountain Dew? Do you like it? It was invented in Knoxville, Tennessee in the 1940s by two brothers as a mixture of low-quality whiskey. And the name Mountain Dew was an old slang term for moonshine. Texas. You may have heard everything is bigger in Texas. But did you know it includes the speed limit too? As you drive through the Central Texas, the speed limit in Highway 130 is 85 miles per hour. That's over 135 kilometers per hour. This is the highest legal speed limit in the country. Utah. Do you like Jell-O? If you do, you'll be in great company with people of Utah. They really love Jell-O. They consume more Jell-O than any other place in America. Vermont. Vermont's capital is Montpelier. It is the smallest capital in the whole country by population, with less than 8,000 residents. Did you know this is the only capital in the United States that doesn't have McDonald's? How shocking! Virginia. Virginia is known as Mother of all presidents. 8 United States presidents were born in Virginia. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, James Monroe, William Harrison, John Tyler, Zachary Taylor, and Woodrow Wilson. Washington. Ferry boat services are popular in Seattle. Actually, the entire states operate a large ferry system in the United States. In fact, over 21 ferries carry nearly 24 million passengers every year. West Virginia. Clear your calendar. Third Saturday of every October, hundreds of base jumpers parachute down from a 876-foot high New River Gorge Bridge. If you're not jumping, don't worry. You can stroll along the bridge and watch the action. Wisconsin. Wisconsin banned the use and sale of margarine from 1895 to 1967. This ban is lifted, but some restriction may apply. It is still illegal to serve margarine as a substitute for butter, unless the customer specifically asks for it. Wyoming. There are only 2 escalators in the entire state of Wyoming. Technically 4 because they both have up and down sides. Both of them are located in Casper. It's not like it's illegal or anything, they're just underutilized. We covered all 50 states. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it so much. Please subscribe and like the video if you haven't already before you jump into the next one. Thanks.